Welcome to the Gesto Bake Off, where passion meets perfection. Here's the magic lineup for our classic pound cake. Step 1. Butter meat blender. Let the creaming begin. Add that sweet sparkle. 1 egg at a time. Gently does it. Mix them up until it's fluffy like clouds. Dry team joins in. Time for the rising stars. A dash of vanilla, because every cake needs a soul. Slow and steady, bring it all together. That batter, flawless, time to try the magic. Say goodbye for 60 sweet minutes. Golden, gorgeous, Gesto level cake. Behold the masterpiece, soft, buttery, and made with love. From cakes to artisan breads, our students baked it all. This is what hands-on training looks like at Gesto. More recipes, more fun. Click like and subscribe now.
Join Gesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy.